Welcome back to another video. So now I'm in a restaurant. It's a teeny restaurant in on a kind of situation. Right now I'm eating puri and shingara. It's very delicious things in my area, and it's a very long time I'm getting swide also here. Okay, but how to use and how to eat the samosa piece? This samosa, this shingara piece is 5 taka. Still, this price is in our area, only this area, but most of the area it stands into 10 taka. If you really want to eat shingara or puri per piece, you have to pay 10 taka. And right now the electricity has lost. The place is more hot, so already I have eaten one piece of puri in this hotel, and I have bought 2 pieces of puri and 2 pieces of shingara, and total price is 20 taka. I didn't give this. I will give after this eating. It's very delicious, and the food is very good. I'm eating the puri with the sauce, one teeny plate of sauce. I'm eating this. Very beautiful. When I get chance to eat and I have a money, most of the time I come here, especially when which day I go to eat and I try to eat these things. Just sell thousands of taka every year, every moment, every time, and it's very delicious, absolutely delicious. It's shingara. Shingara is very nice. I love shingara. The shingara is made with potato and some other masala, is precise also. It's very beautiful. And when I go to my college and after returning time, most of the time I try to come here. This place is tiny, but the all product, all things is very good. And most of the time I try to eat this. Why am I eating this? The reason is I'm a little bit hungry, so if I really want to eat rice, I have to wait 30 minutes because from here my house is 30 minutes away, so I cannot wait for the time. I can also wait for the time when I will not have money in my account, but right now I have little bit money, and for this reason with this money I am eating this, but I will take a rest more. But electricity has lost right now. So this video, the main things is to, if you have a Chinese, what places you can make a video, how to learn English, how to other things, you can really try to practice which place you are in, it doesn't matter. But if you really practice regularly, you will get your bonus one day. Practice is important, you have to practice regularly, and if you really practice regularly, you will get your reward one day. Very delicious also. It's also very delicious. I am trying to eat more if I eat this properly. Okay, I have already eaten 2 pieces of shingara, 2 pieces of puri, and I'm waiting to eat more. Now I will eat 1 piece of samosa and 1 piece of roll, and I'm asking him down. এক পিস ফুল দিন আর এক পিস দিন সমোসা দিন. I have already eaten 2 pieces of shingara and 2 pieces of puri, and I'm waiting for একটা রোল, একটা সমোসা. Okay, he's changing me. He's giving 1 piece of roll, 1 piece of samosa. This total price is. Thank you. Okay, it's also very delicious. Behind me, some person have come here to eat, to have their lunch also. This is samosa. This price is 10 taka.
গাড়ি ভাড়া
I hope you're hearing me also. I'm also hearing my outside sound. But it doesn't matter.
গাড়ি ভাড়া যা ধর আমি ধরছি না এছাড়া রে আমার বলে করে বাট পারি
I always try to help you to English, how to learn any kind of places. And also piece of singer, piece of Puri and one piece of samosa, one piece of roll and total price is 40 taka. This video just was a health and I have already take this. And coming to the next video very soon to see you more, something more. And you can have a places, what places you are in, it doesn't matter. Try to practice regularly, it must help you. So I'm going to and I have to leave and I have to eat as soon as possible. Goodbye for now.